In this video, I'll walk you through how to cancel a direct debit on Starling Bank. So I'll be using a Starling Bank website for reference, but take note the actual cancellation must be done through the Starling mobile app. So I'll explain the steps so you know what to expect. So to start, visit the official Starling Bank website to learn more about how direct debit cards work. So while I only be showing the landing page here, make sure to keep listening so you'll know what to expect and you'll understand the full process when you're inside the app. So now here's how to cancel a direct debit card. So assumingly, open the Starling Bank mobile app on your phone and then log into your account, and then from the home screen, go to your account feed and then tap on the payment section and then select schedule payments or look for a direct debits under the payment settings. To find the direct debit you want to cancel, then tap on it and then you should see an option to cancel direct debit. So confirm your choice, and then once canceled, the company will no longer be able to take payments from your account. So important reminder, it's always good idea to contact the company directly to let them know you've canceled the direct debit. So just to avoid any confusions or service interruptions. Since I don't have an access to a live Starling account, the rest of the app process can't be shown visually. But if you follow the steps I've shared, it's a quick and simple process. So you'll find the official Starling Bank help page link below in the video description for your reference. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.